Hello viewers, this is Sandeep Krishna Tulabandula, Regional Head Recruit Telangana. So this is I'm just planning to do a small explainer video because a lot of people, even me initially, they are a little confused on what is this when they hear these terms: carpet area, living area, build-up area, super build-up area. So I would like to give a little brief or a small explanation on what are these. In India, various terms such as carpet area, super build-up area are used to define the area of an apartment. If you are planning to buy a residential property, it is vital to understand the difference between built-up area versus carpet area versus super area. In this video, that is what I was just trying to explain what this means, what the differences means. What is carpet area? An area that can be covered by carpet or net usable area is called carpet area. The carpet area is a distance between the inner walls. Common areas such as lifts, lobbies, etc. are not included under the carpet area. Carpet area means, according to RERA, which is Real Estate Regulatory Authority, carpet area means the net usable floor area of an apartment, excluding the area covered by the external walls, areas under service shafts, exclusive balconies or veranda areas, and exclusive open terrace areas. But it includes the area covered by the internal partition walls of the apartment. What is a build-up area? The build-up area of a premise is measured from the external perimeter wall surfaces of the apartment. It is the carpet area plus the wall thickness along with other unusable area within the apartment, such as the balcony, stairs, flower beds, etc. It is always more than the carpet area. So in short, build-up area is equal to carpet area plus the area of walls. What is a super build-up area? Super build-up area of a premise is the area which includes the carpet area along with the terrace, balconies, areas occupied by walls, and area occupied by common or shared construction like lift, stairs, etc. In some cases, builders include amenities like pool, clubhouse, and gardens. Builders use a loading factor on the carpet area to arrive at super build-up area. According to Real Estate Regulatory Authority, the carpet area, build-up area, as well as the share of the common area like stairs, lobbies, that can be used by the entire building is defined as super build-up area. So I hope this video gave a little information on the differences between these three. Do comment if you have any questions, and do subscribe to Regrob for more real estate updates. Stay tuned.